I'm Crystal, aka the Points Diva, and I'm all about teaching my viewers how to travel to the edges of the world all on points and miles. In this video, I'm gonna dive right into one of the most underrated travel hacks that's out there, and that is the Southwest Companion Pass. If you love to travel with a family member, friend, or a spouse and want to save a ton of money, here's one of the best videos that you're gonna find out there. Stick around to find how you can earn the Southwest Companion Pass and fly with the companion for free. But before we do, please hit that like and subscribe button. So what exactly is the Southwest Companion Pass? Well, it's a benefit offered by Southwest Airlines that lets you choose one person to fly with you for free, but you do have to pay the taxes and fees every time you purchase a flight with money or redeem miles for a flight. This sounds amazing, right? I know. So to get the Companion Pass, you need to earn 135,000 qualifying points or take 100 qualifying one-way flights in a calendar year. So we're not even going to talk about flying 100 times to get this pass, because that is a lot. Let me break it down to you on how you can earn those 135,000 points as quickly as possible. The easiest way to do this is by taking advantage of two of Southwest's co-branded credit cards. There are several business card options that often come with substantial sign-up bonuses. For example, the Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus credit card, the Premium credit card, the Priority credit card, each offer significant bonuses after you spend a certain amount within 3 months. Another fantastic option is the Southwest Rapid Rewards Performance Business Credit Card, which typically offers even higher bonuses than the personal. So if you get one personal and one business credit card, you can combine those points to get you close to or even exceed that 135,000 points needed. Let's say you sign up for both personal and business credit cards. The combined sign-up bonuses can get you well over to earning the Companion Pass. Plus points earned from everyday spending, referring friends to Southwest credit cards, and actually flying with Southwest also count towards the Companion Pass. A few other ways to earn the pass would be the Rapid Rewards shopping portals and dining portals. These allow you to earn extra points for purchases you're already going to spend. Just shop through their portal or dine at participating restaurants and you're able to reap even more points. Now let's discuss those activities that do not earn you the Companion Pass. I've listed those here. So Points Diva tip: plan your credit card application strategically. If you apply for your cards at the end of the year, you can time it so that you meet the minimum spend required at the beginning of the following year. This way, you can earn the Companion Pass in the year and get it for a second year. So basically, you would have it for 2 full years. Many people find the Southwest Companion Pass to be worth it. It virtually doubles your value of the Southwest points and opens you to easily be able to travel across the US and to some amazing international destinations. Nevertheless, some people don't find the Southwest Companion Pass useful, and that's okay. Solo travelers, obviously, you're not going to get the advantages of having the Southwest Companion Pass. Southwest has long routes, so if you don't live in like Baltimore, Houston, some of those destinations, you're definitely going to have a layover and a long layover at that. Maybe you just don't like the way Southwest boards. You know, you have to stand in the line, they have the open seating, so it definitely can be a little confusing. But whatever the reason, you may not find the Southwest Companion Pass worth it to you, and that's okay. For many travelers, it provides great value. So there you have it. A quick guide on how to earn the Southwest Companion Pass. Again, it is one of the best travel deals that's out there right now. And you really don't have to plan a whole lot, but if you do just a little bit, you can unlock endless adventures with a friend or loved one to fly with you. So check out my next video, which I will detail top destinations you can use with your Southwest Companion Pass. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and please subscribe to my channel for other amazing tips and travel hacks. I hope you never miss an update, and thank you for watching. Happy travels!